So I like this kind of commanding questions. So she just came in and said that, can you just answer between Ecwid, Easystore, and Shopify, which one has better integration with Facebook catalog advertising? You did study a lot. The 3 websites, all of them have pros and cons. You already had the answer. But for that, when you said about the FB catalog, when I need an answer for this, okay, put it this way, all right? I don't think you need somebody else to answer this thing, because first thing first, it's very difficult to find someone who is an expert in all these 3 platforms that you're talking about. Like, let's say you have Ecwid. Ecwid is a very, very niche. I don't think it's very famous in our part of the world. Easystore is, yes, it's a lower entry, but Shopify is another ball game over there. But here's the thing, okay? I would say each and every one of them, if they have been running for a while, if they have been, in business for a while, up to now, they should have very matured integration with catalog. Because you talk about integration with Facebook catalog, they actually, you kind of like don't even need to do anything anymore in most of the case. You just need to make sure that your pixel is installed correctly, and immediately Facebook site will do all the thing. But nonetheless, my friend, I believe all of this offers like at least a 7-day free trial. You see, all you need to do is just go in and use the 7 days free trial to set up and see whether you are satisfied with that. You see, sometimes, right, like for example, to be frank, I play with Shopify a little bit, and I find it kind of like, even we did a training the other day about Shopify integration with Facebook catalog. There are some even like hiccups, like, certain things over there. All right. So the other time it was just playing with Easystore. There was once, and it's not mine, it's my coach's. Okay, it looks pretty straightforward. Okay, but there was certain issue about the certain SKU, integration pulling in, because it also depends how complex is your SKU management. So if you have a very massive store, like, tens of thousands of products or SKUs and all that, and each one has got different variety and all that, there could be some issue on that. But nonetheless, I would say, you know what? Why not just go in and test it for 7 days or during the free trial and see whether it's to your liking or not. If it's not, then fine. I mean, let's move on to the next one. But I would say, here's the thing. I believe when you're looking at these kind of platforms and all that, I think it's about everyone has got its own pros and cons. You can definitely not able to find something that's 100% fitting to what you need. You just have to understand. You just have to go in and feel it. When you feel like it, then that's yours. If it's not, then okay, then fine. We move on to the next one.